Hi, hello children. How are you all? Welcome back to my class. Today in this class, we are going to continue our same lesson of maths, that is numbers. Okay, so today let us start with new concept. So open the page number 52. Biggest numbers and smallest numbers. Okay, so children, can you observe this picture here? Here are the elephant, rat, deer, rabbit, right? So some fox is also there. Can you observe the numbers which is there on these animals? The elephant it is having 157. The deer is having 263. This rabbit is having 325. Yes, and this rat it is having 475. Right? So now what I have to do? Now you tell me which animal is having the biggest number. Which animal has the biggest number? Now you tell me. Yes, which animal is having the biggest number? So to see which animal is having biggest and the smallest number, let us arrange all these numbers in the place value chart. So here, can you see this children? Here are the animals. So we are having elephant, rat, deer, rabbit, which I have written here. Elephant, deer, rabbit and rat. So now come to, let us arrange all the numbers in the place value table. So first one, elephant. Can you read this number? It is 157. So 7 it is in the unit place. Yes. Next, this 5 it is in the 10 place. Next, this 1 it is in the 100 place. So elephant is having 157. In the same way as you already learned how to arrange the numbers in the place value chart. So let us add it first. So second one is a deer. So deer. Okay, what is the number here? It is 263. So a deer it is having 263. Right. So next one is the rabbit. So it is having 325. So 325. Next one is rat. What is the number on the rat? It is 475. So 475. Yes. Now, how to see which is the biggest number now? Means what you have to do? First, just observe the digits in the 100 place. Okay. Just leave this 10 and the unit. Just observe the numbers in the 100 place only. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now tell me which is the biggest digit here in the 100 place? You have to always, whenever you are going to see the biggest or the smallest numbers, you have to start from comparing the numbers from the 100 place. Okay, you have to start the comparing the numbers from the highest place value. Which is the highest place value here? 100 is the highest place value. So you have to start from the 100 here. Okay, so now you tell me which is the biggest number here in the, biggest digit in the 100 place. Yes, which is the biggest digit here? This 4. 4 is the biggest digit, right? So 4 is the biggest digit, means the number 475 is the biggest number. So the rat is having the biggest number. What is that biggest number? It is 475. So let us write here 475. Right? 475. Now, what you have to do? Let us see which is the smallest number. Let us see which animal is having the smallest number. So now, what you have to do, children? Yes, you have to start from the 100 place. So you have to start comparing the digits from the 100 place. So first one is in the 100 place. Now you tell me which digit is the smallest digit here. Yes, which is the smallest digit in the 100 place? Yes, 1. 1 is the smallest digit, right? 2, 3, 4. 4 is the biggest, as we have done. So 2, 3. As compared to 1, 2, 3 are the biggest number. So which is the smallest here? Yes, 1 is the smallest number. Now the 1. So the smallest number is 157. So let us write here 157. So which is the biggest number? 475 is the biggest number. So which is the smallest number? 157 is the smallest number. Understood, children, how to check or how to write the biggest number and the smallest number? Yes, what we have to do? First we have to compare the digits. First we have to compare the digits from the highest place value, that is 100. Okay, you have to start comparing the numbers from the or the digits from the 100 place. First you have to see all the digits present in the 100 place. Okay, let us take one more example. Okay, open your page number 57. Next example is, can you see this flash, children? Here are the some numbers. Can you read these numbers? Yes, it is 560, 524, 548, 599, 571. Okay, let us arrange all these numbers in the place value chart or the place value table. Okay, here, now you tell me here. First number is 560. As you know how to arrange the numbers. Okay, first you have to start from the unit 10 and 100. So 560. So 560. Next one is 524. So 4. It is in the place of unit. Next, the 2 it is in the place of 10. Next, the 5 it is in the place of 100. Right? Yes. Next one is 548. So let us write the number here. 548. Next is 599. So 599. Next is 571. 571. Right. Now you tell me which is the biggest or the greatest number here in this example. Yes. Which is the biggest or the greatest number here? Now what you have to do, children? Yes, you have to start comparing the digits from the 100 place. Okay. So here, just observe the digits in the 100 place. Yes, which is the highest number here? No, you can't say, right? Because if the digits in the 100 place are same, compare the digits in the 10th place. Okay, so first what you have to do at the beginning, you have to observe the number digits in the 100 place. If all the numbers are same here, then you have to leave this 100 place and you have to move to the 10th place. Now you come to the 10th place and observe the digits here. Which is the highest digit here? Which is the biggest digit here? Yes, 9. 9 is the biggest digit, right? So here, which is the biggest number now? 599 is the biggest number. So 599 is the biggest number. Now, which is the smallest number here? Yes, which is the smallest number? First, we have to compare the numbers in the 100 place. As we came to know that all the numbers in the 100 place are same. So just what you have to do in this case, you have to move to the next place. Okay, next highest place, that is a 10th place. Now you have to compare all the digits in the 10th place. Now you tell me which is the smallest digit here? Yes, 2. Right, the 2, it is the smallest digit. So the 524 is the smallest number. So 524 is the smallest number. So which is the greatest or the biggest number here? 599 is the biggest or the greatest number and 524 is the smallest number. Understood, children? Okay. Now let us take one more example which is there on page number 55. Can you observe these leaves, children? Yes. Observe the numbers which is written on the leaves. 867, 861, 864, 865, 863. Right. Now what you have to do? You have to arrange all these numbers in the place value chart. So let us arrange here. So which is the first number here? 867. So 7 it is in the unit place. So 6 it is in the 10th place. 8 it is in the 100 place, right? In the same way you have to arrange all the numbers. So let me write the numbers. 861, yes, 864, 865, 863. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to start comparing the numbers from the 100 place. Okay, first you have to compare the digits in the 100 place. Okay, so first let us see which is the greatest digit in this 100 place. Yes, no, because all are the same here. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, right? So we can't say which is the greatest or the which is the smallest digit here. Now what we have to do? Yes, very good. We have to move to the 10th place, right? So now come to the 10th place and tell me which is the greatest digit here. Which is the greatest digit here? No, we can't say because all the digits are same only. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, right? So this time what you have to do? Yes, very good. You have to move to the next place. That is, you have to come to the unit place. Yes, now you compare the digits which is there in the unit place. Now you tell me which is the greatest digit here. Yes, yes, very good. 7 is the greatest or the biggest digit. Okay, so the 7 is the biggest digit, means the first number, that is 867, is the biggest or the greatest number. 867. Okay, now come to the smallest number. First what you have to do? Yes, first you have to compare the numbers in the 100 place. If all the numbers are same, you have to go to the 10th place. If in the case all the numbers are same in the 10th place, next you have to move to the unit place, right? So now you tell me which is the smallest number here, sorry, smallest digit here. Yes, 1 is the smallest digit. So which is the smallest number now? 861. 861 is the smallest number. Understood, children? Okay. Now open page number 57. Let us start from one more new concept, that is ascending and descending order. Okay, now here ascending order means when we write the numbers from smaller to the bigger one. Okay, when we write the numbers from small to big, it is called the ascending order. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we are writing the number from small to the big one, right? So in descending order means from big to small. Okay, when we write the numbers from bigger or the greater to the smaller, we call it as a descending order. Okay, when we write the numbers from big to small, we call it as a descending order. For example, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See here, we are writing the numbers from biggest to the smallest, right? But here we are writing the numbers from smallest to the bigger one, right? So here let us take one example. 225, 352, 561, 833, 417, 799. Okay, so now how to arrange these numbers into ascending order and the descending order? Here it is very easy for us because it is having only one digit, but whereas here, can you observe this? Yes, can you see this number, children? It is having 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right? So now, how to arrange these numbers in the ascending and the descending order? So for that purpose, what you have to do? You have to arrange all these numbers into a place value chart. Okay, let us arrange those numbers. So first one here, 225. 5 it is in the unit place, 2 it is in the 10 place, and this 2 it is in the 100 place. Okay, so 5, 2, 2. Next 352. Okay, let us write here 352. Next 561, 833, 417, 799. Right, we have arranged all the numbers here. Right, now what we have to do? We have to follow the same method which we have done in the case of biggest and the smallest numbers. Right, so what we have done there? Yes, we have started comparing the digits from 100 place. Whichever the digits are there in the 100 place, we have to compare those numbers first. Okay, now you have to tell me which is the biggest number, digit here in the 100 place? 2, 3, 5, 8, 4, 7. Yes, 8. 8 is the biggest one, right? So 8 is the biggest one. But as we are writing, first we are writing the ascending order. Means we have to go from small to big. So let us see which is the smallest digit here in the 100 place. Which is the smallest digit here? Yes, the 2. This 2, it is the smallest digit. So we'll write this number here. First we'll write this 225. Okay, 225, comma. Next, now you have to leave this number. Already we have written this number. Now compare all the digits which is present in the 100 place. 3, 5, 8, 4, 7. Now tell me which is the smallest one here. Yes, this 3. 3 is the smallest, means the 352 number is the next number. Okay, means it is the smallest number after 225. So let us write here 352. Okay, next come to the 5847, which is the smallest digit here. 4 is the smallest digit. Okay, after 352, the 4th is the smallest digit. So 417. The next number will be 417. Next, leave this 400. Now, come to the next 3 numbers. 587, which is the smallest digit here. 587. Yes, 5 is the smallest digit. So 561 is the next number after 517. Okay, so next 561. Next one is here. This is also we have done. Next 8 and 7, which is the smallest digit here. Yes, 7. So 799. So 799. Right, now which remained here? 8. So 833. 833. So this is called the ascending order. 225, 352, 417, 561, 799, 833. Okay, so this is the ascending order. Now descending order. In the descending order, what we have to do? Yes, we have to write the numbers from biggest to the small. We have to write the number from big to small. Okay, so here, first, which number we have to compare? Yes, we have to start comparing the numbers from the 100 place. Now you tell me which is the big, because you have to start from the big number. Which is the biggest digit here? Yes, this 8. 8 is the biggest digit. So 833. So we'll write here 833. Next, after the 800, which is the biggest number here? 74532. Yes, 7. Yes, so 7 is the next biggest number. So 799. So 799. Next, after the 7, which is the biggest digit here? 2, 3, 5, 4. Yes, 5. Right. So 5 is the next biggest digit. So 563. 561. 561. Next one, which is the biggest digit here after 5? 3, 2, 4. Yes, 4. Yes, 4 is the biggest digit here. 417. So 417. So 417. Right. Next one, after the 417, after the 4, which is the biggest or the greatest digit here? Yes, 3 is the biggest digit. So 552. 352. 352. Next, which remained here now? 2. Of course, 225. So 225. Understood, children? So here you can observe these numbers. These numbers, they are in the ascending orders, means you have started writing the numbers from small to big. Here you can see 225 is smaller than the 352. 352 is smaller than the 417. 417 is smaller than the 561. 561 is smaller than the 799. 799 is smaller than the 833. Right? So we have started the writing the numbers in the ascending order from small to big. Here in the case of descending, it is totally opposite. Right? So means we have to start writing the numbers from big to small, already which we have done here. Right? We have written the numbers from big to the small. So 833 is a Yes, 833. Next 799. 799 is smaller than the 833. Right. So 561 is smaller than the 799. 417 is smaller than the 561. 352 is smaller than the 417. Right. So next 225 is smaller than the 352. Right. So here what we have done, we have started the numbers from big to small in the descending order. Understood, children? Okay. Now open page number 59. Exercise 2.4. Identify the greater and smaller numbers in each pair and write. So here they have given the numbers, pair of numbers. Okay. So within these numbers you have to write which is the biggest number and which is the smallest number. Okay. So first one is 125, 521. Which is the biggest number here? Yes, which is the biggest number here? What you have to do here? First, let us arrange these numbers in the place value table. So, 110 unit. Right? So, 110 unit. We'll arrange all these numbers here. First is 125. 5 it is in the unit place. 2 it is in the 10 place. And 1 it is in the 100 place. Next, 521. 1 it is in a unit place. 2 it is in the 10 place. 5 it is in the 100 place. Now what you have to do? You have to compare the digits in the 100 place. So now tell me which is the biggest one here? Yes, 5. Right? So 521 is the biggest number. So 521 is the big number. So we'll write here 521. So now you tell me which is the smallest here. Of course, the remaining will be small. You can see, you can compare the numbers here. 1, 5, which is smallest here? Which is the smallest digit here? 1. 1 is the smallest digit. So 125 is the small number. 125 is the small number. Okay, next one is 999, 910. Now you tell me which is the big number here. Yes? Tell me fast, children. Yes, we'll do here only. Okay, it is a one more way to solve the problems easily. Okay, so here let us give the name unit 10, 100, unit 10, 100. Right? So here first in the unit, first what we have to do? Yes, we have to compare the numbers which is there in the 100 place. Here when you compare the numbers here in the 100 place, 9, 9, they both are the same. So next what I have to do? Yes, we have to go to the 10th place. Now here 9, 0. Now you tell me which is the bigger here, which is the big number? 9. Sorry, which is the big unit, biggest unit? So 9 is the biggest unit. So 999 is the big number and 909 is the small number. Next 772, 774. Now you tell me which is the big number here? Yes. Now you only have to tell me which is the big number here. First you have to compare the numbers which is there in the 100 place. Now you compare the digits which is there in the 100 place. 7, 7, they both are the same. So leave it. Next come to the 10th place. This 7 and this 7. These both are the same. So just leave this one also. Now come to the next unit place. 2, 4. Which is the big one here? Yes, 4. So it means 774 is the big number. And 772 is the small number. 772 is the small number. Understood, children? Okay, in the same way you try to do this examples. Next come to underline the greatest number. You have to underline the greatest number here. Okay, the first one is 811, 801, 810, 809, 812. Now you tell me which is the greatest number here. First, let us arrange all these numbers in the place value chart. So 811. So 1 it is in a unit place, 1 it is in a 10 place, 8 it is in a 100 place. Next, so 1, 1, 8. Right. So next one 801, 810, 809, 812. Okay, I will write here. Okay, I have written the numbers here. So now tell me which, now what I have to do? Yes, what I have to do? I have to compare the digits which is there in the 100 place. Okay, so let us compare the numbers. Here you can see all the numbers are, all the digits are same only. So we have to move to the next place, that is 10th place, 10101. Now you tell me which is the biggest number here, which is the greatest digit here. 1010, they all are same only. Here you can see here 1, 1 1. Yes, 0 0. Which is the biggest one here? 0. So which is the biggest one here? 1 1 1. Yes. So there are 3 ones. So I can't tell which is the biggest one here. Can you tell me which is the biggest digit here? Within this first one, second one and third one. Which is the biggest one here? No. I can't say. And even you can't say. Right? So let's move to the next place, that is a unit. Okay. Now come to this one. Already we have done with these numbers. Right? So here, which is the biggest here? 1 1 1 here. So we can't say which is the biggest one here. So we moved to the next place, that is in the unit place. Now you come here. It is a 1. Tell me which is the greatest here. See, already we have done in the 801. Okay, here already we have cancelled it. And this is also because it is a smaller number here in the 10th place. So also we have cancelled these numbers also. Right? Which one is remain now? 1 0 2. Now you tell me which is the greatest digit here? 1 0 2. Which is the greatest here? Yes, 2 is the greatest. Means 812 is the greatest number. So where is that 812? Here. So 812 is the greatest number. So just underline the number. Next, come to the next example. 336, 346, 386, 316, 376. Now you tell me which is the greatest number here. Here also you can do. Right? We have to start from the number. We have to start from the 100 place. So 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. All are same. So just leave it. Now come to the first one. Okay. We'll cancel all these 3. Next come to the second place, that is 10th place. So 3, 4, 8, 1, 7. Now you tell me which is the greatest here. 3, 4, 8, 1, 7. Which is the greatest here? Yes, 8 is the greatest. Means this is the greatest number. 386 is the greatest number. Right, now you come to the third example. 666, 660, 665, 663, 667. Now you tell me which is the greatest number here. You only have to tell me this one, children, fast. Which is the greatest number? First, what you have to do? You have to compare the digits which is there in the 100 place. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. All are 6. So, just cancel it. Okay. Now, come to the next place. That is 10th place. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. So, you have to cancel the 10th place also. Right? Next, come to the unit place. Whichever the digits are there in the unit place, you have to compare those digits. 6, 0, 5, 3, 7. Which is the greatest one here now? Yes. Which is the greatest one here now? 7 is the greatest. So, 667 is the greatest number. Understood? In the same way, you have to do this remaining one. Next one is underline the smallest number. So, the third main is underline the smallest number. Here we have to underline the smallest number. So, let us arrange. First one, let us take for first example. Okay. 416, 406, 426, 462, 460. Let us arrange all these numbers in the place value chart. So, here 416, 6 it is in the unit place, 1 it is in the 10 place, 4 it is in the 100 place. So, 6, next number is 1 and the 4 it is in the 100 place. So, 4, right? Okay, so here you can see in the same way I will arrange all these numbers here in the place value table. So, second one is a 406, 460, the last number here you can see, right? So, next here what we have to do now? Yes, you only have to tell me what I have to do now. Yes, first we have to compare the digits which is there in the 100 place. So, 4, 4, 4, 4 here all are similar. So, just leave this 100 place. Okay, now come to the 10th place. Now tell me which is the small, because we are seeing the smallest number. So, which is the smallest number here? Yes, in the 10th place, which is the smallest number here? The 0, it is the smallest number. Yes, the 0, it is the smallest number, or sorry, smallest digit. So, 406 is the smallest, yes, number, right? So, we'll underline that number. 406 is the smallest number. Okay, let us take one more example. 700, 500, 200, 300 and 400. 100. Right? Okay. Now you tell me which is the smallest number here. First, what you have to do, you have to compare the numbers which is there in the 100 place. You have to compare the digits which is there in the 100 place. 7, 5, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Now you tell me which is the smallest one here now. 7, 5, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 2. 2 is the smallest digit in the 100 place. So the 200 is the smallest number. Now come to the next example. 183, 187, 181, 190, 189. Now you tell me which is the smallest number here. Yes, which is the smallest number here. First you have to compare all the digits in the 100 place. Next you have to go to the 10th. Next you have to go to the unit. Now you tell me which is the smallest here. Yes, come on fast. 190, 181 or 187. Which is the smallest one here now? Yes, 181 is the smallest number. Very good, children. So in the same way, you have to try to solve the remaining sums which is there on page number 60. Okay. So the next main is fourth main. Write in the ascending and the descending order. So here they have given the numbers and we have to write those numbers in the ascending order and in the descending order. Okay, let us take one example here. 477, 873, 783, 580, 986. Right. Now you have to arrange all the numbers in the ascending order. Ascending order in the sense what we have to do? Yes, ascend in the sense we have to write the numbers from small to big. Right. So let us arrange these numbers. Before writing the numbers, what you have to do? You have to write or you have to arrange all these numbers in the place value chart. So first one is 477. So 7 it is in a unit place. The 7 it is again in the 10. It is 7 it is in the 10 place. The 4 it is in the 100 place. So 7, 7, 4. Okay. Next one is 873. We'll write all the numbers. 873. Next 783. Next 580. Yes. Next one is 986. Okay. Now let us arrange these numbers in the ascending order. Means we have to start the numbers from small to big. Right. So first one, let us compare the numbers which is there in the 100 place. Okay, let us compare all the digits which is there in the 100 place. 4, 8, 7, 5, 9. Which is the smallest one here? Yes. 4, right? 4 it is the smallest one, means 477 is the first smallest number, right? So we'll write here 477. Next, which is the next smallest number here? 8759. This is a 5. Okay, 8759. Which is the smallest here? Yes, 5. So 580 is the next smallest number. So 580. Okay, next, which is the smallest digit here? 879. Yes, 879. 7 is the smallest digit after 5. So 783. 783. Next, which is the smallest digit here? 8 or 9? Yes, 8. So 873. 873. Next, 986. So 986. This is how we have to write the ascending numbers in ascending order, that is small to big. Now it is totally opposite of ascending, means that is descending order. So first one, let us compare the numbers which is there in the 100 place. Okay. So first one is what you have to do here. You have to write the numbers from biggest to the small. Okay. From big to the small. So now you tell me which is the biggest digit here in the 100 place. Yes, 9. 9 is the biggest digit. Right. So 986 is the biggest number. So we'll write here 986 is the biggest number. This one is the biggest number first. Next one is, just leave this 9. Now you tell me which is the biggest digit here in the 100 place. 4, 8, 7, 5. Yes. Which is the biggest digit here? 8. Right. So 8 is the biggest digit. So we'll write here 800. So means 873 is the biggest number. So 873. Next one. After the 8, which is the biggest digit here? 754. Yes, 475. Yes, 7, right? So 7 is the next biggest digit. So 783 is the next biggest number. So 783. Next, which is the biggest number here? 4 or 5? Yes, 4 or 5? 5. So 580. 580 is the next biggest number. So 580. Next, which is the biggest number here? After the 5, 4. Yes, of course, the remaining one is a 4. So 477 is the next biggest number. So 477. So here what we have done, we have started the numbers from the biggest to small in the descending, whereas in the ascending it is from small to big. Right, children? Okay. Now let's come to the second example. 888, 808, 880, 880, 88. Here you can see that these three numbers, there are the three digits number 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Whereas these two, 80 and 88, they both are the two digits 1, 2, 1, 2, which you have learnt in the second standard, right? So here, which is the smallest one here? Because ascending order in the sense, you have to go from small to big. Which is the smallest one here? 80, right? Next, 88. Next, which is the biggest after the 88? Yes, tell me fast. We have to go from small to big, right? Now tell me, which will be the next number here? We have to go from small to big. Next, after the 88, which will be the biggest number? Is it 888, 808 or 880? Yes, 808. You have to arrange these. If you are not understanding, you have to arrange the numbers in the place value table, children. Okay. So next one is, what will be the next number after 808? It will be a 880. Okay. Next, 888. Next one is in the descending order, means you have to start the numbers from big to small. Which is the biggest number here? 888. Next biggest is 880. Next biggest is 808. Yes. Next, after 808, 80 or 88, which is the biggest one? Yes, 88. Next one is 80. Understood, children? Okay. In the same way, you have to do all these remaining sums. Okay. If you are not understanding directly, in this case, what you have to do? You have to arrange those numbers in place value table. Okay. Then you came to know which is the biggest and which is the smallest one, and how to write the ascending and the descending order. Ascending order in the sense, you have to write the numbers from the small to big. Okay. Descending in the sense, you have to write the numbers from big to small. Okay. Remember this, children. Okay. Hope you understood all these concepts very well, children. Okay. So children, today you have learned the numbers which comes after, the numbers which comes before, and the between numbers, right? And next you have learned that which is the biggest number, how to write the biggest number and how to write the smallest number, then how to write the ascending and the descending order. Okay. Hope you all understood all these concepts very well, children. Okay.